I'm Monique Algerismo, one of the owners of Real Connections Counseling, and this is my husband Rick, the Hat Man.
Mr. Hatman.
And we briefly talked yesterday about the retreats that we have coming up, but Rick mentioned that there were a couple of things that were going to be different about this retreat. I'd like to talk about that today.
Yes, thank you, Monique. One of the things that is very different from other retreats that we have been to or other workshops that we've been to geared to couples is interaction with other couples. Now, we've noticed that that is one important facet that has been missing. We are going to have our couples interact with each other because we want them to learn from each other. We want to gain insight from each other. That's how we get better and better. Anyone who's ever practiced anything or has ever been great at anything has practiced their way there, but they haven't practiced alone. They have practiced with a team of people along the way that has helped them get to greatness. That's what this retreat is about.
But don't worry, we're not going to expect you to be sharing your deepest, darkest secrets. That's not the intention. We're hoping you'll actually share your struggles and your successes so that we can all learn from each other. That is one of the benefits of being a small, intimate group. Remember, 5 couples max coming to this retreat. You don't want to miss out. Click the link below so that you can get on our interview list so we can get you set up to join us.
That's right. I've got my rally hat on. Let's go. Hit that button.